me give me good friend a call. What's your name there? Hello?
Hello?
Want me alright?
Yeah, man, me good. You alright?
Me no call you to tell you so the other day me go downtown. I never guess what me say.
Who?
Nakita with a bag of pitney them.
What you tell me?
Yeah man, she stand up and a chat to me and a tell me everything. Our man left her.
A lie.
And she know she go do. And she have her next one penny wait too.
What?
And she not gonna let him go like that because him still need for help with child support and pay rent. And she tell me, mother not chat to her because her mother did one a long time about him, man. And she's in a problem and she need help and she don't know what she gonna do because she can't even get her job right now. Yeah, man.
What a thing.
And apparently, she did find out, say, the man have one next woman out there. And she go find the woman and tell the woman everything. Best stupidness she tell me. But anyway, me just call you to tell you that. So, I go call you back later because I have to go pick up them your pitney from school now.
Yeah. Alright,
man.
Alright,
Yeah, man, don't worry about it.
Alright,
Alright. Bye.